Hello, I'm attorney Annabelle Catania, and today I'm going to speak to you about a financial affidavit in a family law case. Financial affidavits are required to be exchanged when there is a request for some type of support from one parent or one spouse to the other. There are two different types of forms that the Supreme Court of Florida has issued as a financial affidavit. One financial affidavit to be filled out is if your income is less than $50,000 a year, and the other is for all incomes over $50,000 a year. I've been practicing family law for a very long time, and even if my client's income is zero, I prefer that my clients fill out the financial affidavit for incomes of over $50,000 a year. Why is that? If you compare the two financial affidavit forms, you will notice that there are a lot of categories on the short form, which is what we call the form for incomes under $50,000. There are a lot of categories on that short form that are not included, but they are on the long form. The long form ensures that you're capturing all of your expenses on a monthly basis. I've seen too many cases where the short form has forgotten somebody's expense on a certain line item because it was not included when it is on the long form financial affidavit. I've also found that the long form financial affidavit allows my clients to say, oh yeah, I do have that other expense. So they are capturing their monthly expenses in a more complete manner with the long form financial affidavit. I am by nature a litigator. That is what I do in family law. And I will say to you that the family law financial affidavit is one of the most important, if not the most important document you're going to fill out in your family law case. You need to ensure that your information is accurate, that you can back it up with your bank statements or credit card statements. And why do I say this? Many times in my career, I have been able to go after an opposing party and put their credibility in question by showing, hey, this person doesn't actually spend $2,000 a month in food expenses or whatever it may be. And once you start attacking multiple lines of what they're saying their expenses are, their credibility is pretty much shot with the judge. You are signing that affidavit, taking an oath stating that it's true and accurate. So it's very important that you get close numbers as possible as to what your actual expenses are. So please take the time, don't do it in 15 minutes, take the time to review your documents and ensure that your financial affidavit is accurate. If you have any questions about financial affidavits, how to properly fill them out, and what to do next, we'd love to help you here at Legal Counsel PA. Please give us a call.